Repeat tickets, failed logins, missed approvals, slow systems, vendor confusion, and after-hours access issues can wear teams down long before they appear in an executive report. And the strain is real. 38% of IT professionals say tech complexity is now a significant barrier to effective operations. Randall Martinez, Chief Operations Officer at IT Pros Management, puts it clearly. For regulated and mission-driven teams, the goal isn't just closing tickets faster. It's making sure support, security, continuity, and communication work together before a disruption reaches staff, clients, or auditors. Recurring IT issues often point to deeper problems. Weak processes, aging infrastructure, thin documentation, inconsistent monitoring, or unclear ownership. The same printer issue, app permission problem, shared mailbox failure, or laptop trouble should not keep interrupting staff. If it keeps coming back, it is an operational signal. These problems also create risk beyond the help desk. A missed offboarding step can leave a former employee with access to sensitive systems. Untested backups, unclear audit logs, and missed endpoint patches can affect compliance readiness, service delivery, and leadership visibility. Technology friction also drains budgets and slows decisions. Vendor ownership can be unclear. Cloud spending can drift. Documentation gaps can slow onboarding, audits, renewals, and emergency changes. Leaders should expect practical controls. MFA, role-based access, timely offboarding, endpoint patching, monitoring, secure email workflows, user training, backup testing, and executive reporting tied to risk and investment decisions. AI adoption adds another layer. AI can improve efficiency, but only when identity, data access, acceptable use rules, monitoring, and governance are in place. The full article walks through how to spot recurring technology trouble, reduce operational strain, and build a clearer path to safer daily operations. Read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.